All right, so let's take a look at finding the area between two curves. So we're going to find the area between y is equal to x squared plus 1 and y is equal to x minus 1. So a quadratic and a linear function from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 2. So let's just sketch this first and then kind of see what we're dealing with. So I'll sketch the linear function here first. So we're going to be crossing a -1 and then up 1 over 1. All right, it's tough making a straight line, so I just cheated and used my straight line tool. So you guys use a straight edge there. Okay, and then I'll make my parabola. So you're probably getting good at this after taking 30-1 if you've taken 30-1. Okay, now let's do a mirror image of that. Alright, I got a little off. Oh. Alright, good enough. We really just needed the sketch there anyway, but kind of gave our actual points. Alright, so what are we actually after here? So we're after the area between these curves from -1 to from -1 to 2. So that's from here. So if you like drew like a line, make it like a dotted line from there to there, and then up to 2. So 2 would be here. So then that's from here to here, and a dotted line. So what we want to do is find the area between these curves. So this is what we're finding. So in order to do that, all we're going to do is we're going to find the integral of the top function, which would be our blue function in this case, right? Our quadratic, and then subtract our bottom function. And then that really would give us the area between the curves. All right, so we'll say the area, and then I'll say from -1 to 2. So just a way of just saying, like, you know, what the bounds of our area is equal to, and then it'll be the integral from -1 to 2 of, and then we're going to just subtract our functions, right? So it'll be of x squared plus 1, and then minus our lower function, which would just be x minus 1, and then dx. Okay, so then we'll just simplify this up and then just take the integral. So this is equal to -1 to 2. So this becomes just x squared minus x plus 2. All right, from here we will actually take the integral. So we'll take the antiderivative of each term. So this becomes x to the power of 3 over 3 minus, and then it'd be x to the power of 2 over 2, and then plus 2x, and then we'll just make the statement that we're going from -1 to 2, and then we'll just do that for both and then subtract. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2 to the power of 2 over 2 plus 2 times 2 minus, and then we'll do all the same with -1. So -1 to the power of 3 over 3 minus -1 squared over 2 plus 2 times -1. And we end up with 14 over 3, if we figure out all this, minus -17 over 6. So this becomes addition, which is 15 over 2, or 7.5. Okay, so just remembering what that is the area between the curves of those two lines would be 7.5.